So I don't normally do LinkedIn posts, but I wanted to show you how to access the LinkedIn video feed because it's not actually that obvious. So I've just come into my account, and as you can see, I would go to the home key, and here you've got a video actually by my amazing friend Sarah, and you just think it's the video and you just scroll past it, but actually if you click on the actual video itself, it opens up into what looks like a YouTube Shorts feed or an Instagram Reels feed, but this is actually on LinkedIn. And then you can actually scroll up and consume other videos just the same way as you would on Instagram, YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So LinkedIn have now created this video feed which enables you to consume short video in this video feed. But if you scroll up here, you can see then actually this one is actually a longer video. So you can consume short and long video in this feed, just the same as you would in any other video feed on any other social platform. So this is on LinkedIn. If you like this video, don't forget to smash subscribe on my channel, and like and subscribe if you want to learn more about using video across social media. And if you want to, you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm there under Anita Wong. Thanks for watching.